Welcome to our showdown between two of the most sought-after countertop ice makers on the market, the EUHOMY Ice Maker and the HiCOZY Countertop Ice Maker. Both machines promise quick and efficient ice production, making them perfect for home use, camping, or RVs. Today, we'll dive deep into their specifications, features, and performance to see which one truly stands out. Let's get started. When it comes to pricing, the EUHOMY Ice Maker is priced at $89.99, making it the more affordable choice compared to the HiCOZY Countertop Ice Maker, which retails for $99.99. This $10 difference might seem minor, but for budget-conscious consumers, every dollar counts. Let's see if the additional features of the HiCOZY justify its higher price. Next, we look at the water reservoir capacity. The EUHOMY Ice Maker has a 1.2-liter tank, while the HiCOZY model boasts a slightly larger 1.4-liter reservoir. This means the HiCOZY can produce ice for a longer period before requiring a refill, which is a significant advantage for those who need a continuous supply of ice. Finally, we compare the ice size options. The EUHOMY Ice Maker produces bullet-shaped ice in a single size, while the HiCOZY offers the flexibility of choosing between small and large ice sizes. This feature can be particularly useful for different beverage types and personal preferences, making the HiCOZY a versatile choice for various occasions. In conclusion, both the EUHOMY and HiCOZY ice makers have their unique strengths. The EUHOMY is a more budget-friendly option with a slightly higher daily output, while the HiCOZY offers added flexibility with dual ice sizes and a larger water reservoir. Depending on your specific needs, either could be the perfect addition to your kitchen or outdoor setup. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.